First it come in a priority box and ship to you, say Ditty Island Delights. Take them customer. Very serious, very serious. Yeah, so if you look right as you know, you can see the woman upon the box, this are definitely Yannick. You can't tell me say this is not Yannick. Dead stamp. A she that. Yeah. So right as you know, me I do like a promo for you so you can, see all the packaging well neat and yeah, so you can go follow the page, like up, follow up, order your thing. Yeah, so no me I try for bust the bubble lemon thing, but it does tough. It couldn't pop at all. So you must know say the pudding well protect when it a ship and I come to you. Then yes or no, this is where all of the magic happen.